Yes, good morning, friends. How are you all? Fine, very good. I think so. All are doing very well. Good. Taking rest at home. Yes, very good. Now, welcome back to online classes. Today, I am dealing with the new chapter that is based on trigonometry. Yes. So today we are dealing with applications of trigonometry. In this, why trigonometry is needed in day-to-day life. It is used in astronomy also, where the distance between the Earth to Sun, Earth to planets, Earth to stars, like that, they found with the help of this only. And for example, a pole is there, or an electric pole is there, or tall building is there. How to find, instead of measuring physically, that is, it is not possible to measure with the tape or anything, correct or not? So to avoid that, we are using this trigonometry. Before going to the topic, just I want to recall the properties or sorry, ratios, whatever you study trigonometric ratios. So trigonometry is based on the right angle triangle. Actually, it is always right angle triangle only. So for example, ABC and angle B is 90 degrees. This is nothing but hypotenuse, and this is nothing but base, and this is nothing but altitude. Okay, na? Like this. Now, if I have taken the angle as theta, then the first ratio is sine theta. Sine theta is nothing but opposite divided by hypotenuse. It is nothing but AB divided by AC. Like that only cos theta is adjacent BC divided by hypotenuse. Sorry. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse, that is nothing but BC by AC, and tan theta equal to opposite divided by adjacent, that is AB by BC. Okay, na? These three ratios are there. Their reciprocals are also there, but we are not that much interested. But we are interested only these three ratios. One is sine, one is cos, and one is tan. Okay? Okay, right. Now, for example, here a tall building is there. Otherwise, pole. One pole is there here. A person. Here a person standing and seeing this pole. This seeing is nothing but line of sight. What is this called? Line of sight. And the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal line is known as angle of elevation. If a person is watching from the horizontal line to the tip of the building, then this side is known as what? Line of sight. The angle between the line of sight and the horizontal line. This horizontal line is nothing but distance between the pole and the person. This is horizontal line. Therefore, this angle is known as angle of elevation. Did you understand? Okay. For example, one person is standing and seeing from there. Here it is the object. Here it is the object. Then this, right? That means what? This angle is known as angle of depression. This is angle of elevation and this is angle of, and almost this and this will be equal because these two are parallel, because here always we will take with the horizontal reference, horizontal line reference. These two are alternate angles, these two are parallel, means what happened, how much it will be, that much it will be like that only, because we can't measure from here, right or not? Therefore we will measure from here. Therefore it is angle of, this angle is known as angle of depression, and this angle is known as angle of elevation. Okay na? And if you know sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, this basics and this basics are there in this trigonometric applications of trigonometry. It is very interesting, but at the same time it is very easy also. So we'll see one by one problems, examples. Yes, for the example you will see, here is a vertical pole. A person is seeing the height of tip of the height with a distance of 5 meters or 15 meters with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. So here A, B, C, find the height of the pole. Very simple. How to tackle the problem, you see. See, we have ratios like this, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So we have to see the ratio such a way that it is connected with the adjacent side and opposite side. So here if you take sin theta, it is nothing but opposite divided by hypotenuse. Only opposite is there, hypotenuse is not there. Therefore it will not work. Right? Second, cos theta, this and this hypotenuse. But the requirement is what? Only opposite side only. That means what? This is also not useful, this is also not useful, but tan theta is useful. Therefore what we will take? In triangle ABC, tan theta equal to BC divided by AB. Therefore tan theta how much? Tan 60 is equals to BC how much? Don't know height, and it is nothing but 15 meters. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3 is equals to h by 15. Therefore h is equals to 15 root 3 centimeters. That's all. Sometimes you can 15 into 1.732. If you take approximately value of like that, we can do it. 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 48, 15 7 is 105, 105 plus 4, sorry, 15 plus 4, 19, 109, 10, 15 1 is 15 plus 10, 25. So like this, 1 2 3 4, 2.5980 meters like this. Meters or centimeters. Okay na? So like this we can approach the problem. Did you understand? Yes. Sometimes in a different way. Yes. A building is there whose building height yes, this is a building. One person seeing from certain distance with angle of elevation that is 30 degrees of height 25 meters Find the distance between the pole to the person. So it is also very simple. Now you see, for example, A, B, C is a triangle and it is right angle triangle, that is 90 degrees. Now we want the base. So therefore we should see the ratio of trigonometry who will give opposite side as well as the adjacent side. Therefore side means opposite divided by hypotenuse will not work. Cos means only base and hypotenuse, both are not there, therefore it is not possible. Therefore connecting to this ratio is nothing but tan only. Therefore you will take tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but what? BC divided by AB. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. BC how much? Yes, 25. And AB it is nothing but base only. Therefore base is equals to 25 root 3 meters or centimeters. Otherwise 25 into 1732 also you calculate. Okay na? So like this we have to solve the problems. So this is nothing but applications of trigonometry. We will see so many different problems on this. Okay na? Yes. Now we will directly go to the exercise. Yes, one example. In a circus, there is a vertical pole. From this, a 20-meter rope is tied to the pole to the ground tightly, whose length is how much? 20 meters. So find the height of the tower. What we have to find out? Find the height of the tower at an angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Okay na? Very simple. Now you see, we should see the ratio, trigonometric ratio such a way that it will give to the hypotenuse as well as the opposite. Hypotenuse as well as the opposite. So very simple. It is nothing but sin 30. Sin 30 is equals to, from this, yes, you can name ABC. Therefore BC divided by AC. Sin 30 is half. BC how much? Don't know. And this hypotenuse is nothing but 20. Therefore H is equals to 20 divided by 2, that is 10 meters. Therefore the distance between the pole to the observer, how many meters? It is nothing but 10 meters. Okay na? So like this you should find out. Okay. Next problem. Yes. Here one tree is there. It cut and it fell down to the ground like this. This is tree cut. That means what? For example, let it be X and let it be Y. For example, A, B, C and D. So it is Y means it only cut, therefore it is also Y. At an angle of elevation 30 degrees and with the distance of 8 meters from the foot of the tree to the ground. Okay na? So we should find out the height of the tree. Height is nothing but what? X plus y. So we should find out x plus y. So very simple. Here 8 bits is there. Here opposite is there. Therefore, we will go for tan theta in triangle ABC. Tan 30 is equals to AB divided by BC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and AB is how much? Don't know, x divided by 8. Therefore, x is equals to 8 by root 3. Otherwise, if into root 3 into root 3, you can do like this. So what happened? 8 root 3 by 3 or 8 by root 3. Whichever you want, you can do. Okay, na? Yes. Next. Now, value of x and y. Value of x and y. You see now, sin 30 is equals to AB divided by AC. Sin 30 how much? Half. What is AB? X. What is AC? Y. That means what? Y is equals to 2x. Okay na? Y equal to 2x means therefore y equal to 2 into x. X is nothing but how much? 8 by root 3 or y equal to 16 by root 3 centimeters, or you can take it 16 by root 3 into root 3 by 3, that is rationalizing. So it will become 16 root 3 by 3 centimeters or centimeters. Okay na? Like this. This is y value. Now, what is the total value we will see? Therefore, height of the tree is equals to x plus y. X plus y. Therefore, 16 by root 3 plus 8 by root 3, it is nothing but 24 by root 3 or 24 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 or 24 root 3 by 3 1 ja 3 8 ja. Therefore, answer is what? 8 root 3 meters. How much? 8 root 3 meters. Please see. Yes, next question. A contractor plans 2 different slides for children in the ground. The first one is very simple. This side with an angle of elevation 30 degrees whose height is 1.5 meters. That is A, B and C. And the second one, it is of 3 meters height and the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Because here angle of elevation less means what happened? This much only. As the height increases, the angle of elevation also will increases. Okay na? It is 3 meters. Now it is PQR. So what should we find out? So we should find out what should be the length of the slide. Yes, we have to measure the length of the slide. For example, it is L1 and this is L2. Like this. Okay na? Okay, no problem. First we'll see connecting with the opposite side and the hypotenuse. Which ratio we should use? Always in our mind, sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta, sometimes cot theta. These four ratios must be in our mind. So sin theta means what? For example, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Therefore, it will be useful. Directly you can write sin 30 degrees equal to AB divided by AC. So it is nothing but, again, sin 30 is nothing but half. AB is how much? 1.5 divided by L1. Therefore, L1 is equals to 1.5 into 2 is equals to 3 meters. Therefore, what is the length of the first slide? It is nothing but 3 meters. Okay na? Then we will see second one. Here also same, opposite side and hypotenuse. Opposite side and hypotenuse, and this is 60 degrees. Therefore, here also same, sin 60 degrees equal to PQ divided by PR. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 is equals to PQ. PQ is 3 divided by L2, which implies L2 equal to, yes, 6 divided by root 3, or 6 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. It is nothing but 6 root 3 divided by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Therefore, it is nothing but 2 root 3 meters. Okay na? The first one is 3 meters and the second one is 2 root 3 meters. Please take down. Yes, next question. One more question is there. Here it is a tower. The angle of elevation is 30 degrees. That is A, B and C with a distance of 30 meters. Away means it is nothing but 30 meters. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. It is very simple. The angle of elevation from the certain point is 30 degrees, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. Then find the height of the tower. Now tell me the connection between the opposite side and adjacent. Which ratio we have to take? Is it sin theta? Is it cos theta? Is it tan theta? Or is it cot theta? Any one you should tell. So opposite divided by adjacent, it is nothing but tan theta only. Therefore, directly you can take tan 30 is equals to AB by adjacent is nothing but what? BC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to h divided by 30 meters. Therefore, h is equals to 30 divided by root 3 or 30 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 or 30 root 3 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 10 ja. Therefore, 10 into 1.732 means 17.32 meters. Yes, you can find out like this. Yes, a client is flying A kite is flying with a height of 60 meters. Height of 60 meters. The angle of elevation from certain distance, it is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string. We should find out the length of the string. So it is very simple. A, B, C. Yes. Now, tell me the ratio which is connected to the opposite side and hypotenuse. So I told you we have 3, 4 trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. These all 6 ratios are available with us. Whichever you want you can take. But usually these 4 you will take because secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos only, and cosecant is nothing but 1 by sin, and cot is nothing but 1 by tan, like that. Okay? Okay, whatever. Now you tell the ratio which includes opposite side and hypotenuse and angle. Which side? Yes, it is sin 60. Sin 60 equal to BC divided by AC. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2 is equals to, yes, BC is how much? 60 divided by L. Therefore, L equal to 120 divided by root 3, or L is equals to, yes, 120 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. Therefore, L is equals to 120 into root 3 divided by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 0. It is nothing but 40 root 3 meters, or you can find out 40 into 1.732 approximately. So 0, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 12 plus 1, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 12, 1, 4 7 the 28, 29, 4 1 the 4 plus 2, 6. That means what? 69.29 to 8028 meters, like this. Okay, na? Very simple. The length of the string is 69.28 meters because its height is 60 meters. It is flying at the height of 60 meters. Yes, he has not given any distance, but the angle of elevation is 60 degrees he has given. Therefore, sin 60 equal to, if you follow like this, you can write directly 40 root 3 meters. It is also correct. Otherwise, 69.28 also correct. Please take down. Yes, one more problem. A 30 meter height, one pole is there. A person of height 1.5 meters is watching the top of the tower at an angle of elevation is 30 degrees. After some time, the angle of elevation to the same top of the building or tower is 60 degrees. That means what? When he walks towards the tower at certain distance, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So we should find out how much distance he traveled from to increase the angle of elevation to 30 degrees to 60 degrees. That means what? We should find out the distance of DE. That's all. Are you understanding? Yes. Now you see AB is 30 meters. But here 1.5 meters already a person is there. Therefore, we have to reduce to get AF. Therefore, AF equal to what? AB minus FB. AB how much? 30 minus 1.5. It is nothing but 28.5 meters. Are you understanding? Therefore, now you tell me height is given. We have to find out the distance. Which ratio we should use? Yes? Sin or cos or tan? Yes, anybody? Very good. Tan 60. Good. Tan 60 in triangle. You can take clearly. In triangle AFE, tan 60 equal to AF divided by EF. EF we don't know. Therefore, tan 60 is √3 equal to AF is 28.5 divided by EF. Therefore, EF equal to 28.5 by √3 meters. This is the first one. Now 60 degrees over. Come to 30 degrees now. Yes. Now in triangle ADF. We can do it in triangle ADF. Tan 30 is equals to AF divided by DF. Tan 30 is 1 by √3 equal to 28.5 divided by DF. Therefore, DF equal to 28.5 √3 meters. Any doubt? Okay. Now we want DE. Therefore, you can write down DE equal to DF minus EF. How much DF we have? 28.5 √3 minus 28.5 by √3. Okay na? Yes. Next, what is remaining here? Tell me what is remaining. Otherwise, you can do it. No problem. Now 28.5. If you take common, you will get √3 minus 1 by √3. Right? You can see here you do √3 minus 1 by √3. What is the LCM? √3 is the LCM. √3 into √3. √3 is nothing but 3 only. Correct? Minus 1. It is nothing but 2 by √3. Right? You can face it like this. 2 by √3. Therefore, yes, you can write it like this. Yes. Therefore, you can cut it like this. It is nothing but equal to 28.5 into 2 divided by √3. But √3 is in denominator. Therefore, we have to rationalize. It is nothing but into √3 divided by into √3. Yes, is equals to. You can do it. 28.5 into 2 √3 divided by √3 into √3 is nothing but 3 only. You can do it. 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja, 27, 15, 3 5 ja. Therefore, it is nothing but 2 5 ja 10, 19. It is nothing but 19 √3 meters. Okay na? Here it is very simple. 9.5 into 2 is 19. So 19 into √3 is 19 √3 meters. Understood? So here a person of 1.5 meters From here is the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. After some time, the angle of elevation has become 60 degrees. We should find out the distance between the original position and when the angle of elevation was 60 degrees. At the beginning it was 30 degrees, at the end it is 60 degrees. The distance we used to find, therefore the distance is 90 root 3 meters. If you want clearly, root 3 can be done as 1.732 into 19, you will get the answer. Okay, please take down. Yes. A 20-meter building is there. Yes. A 20 meters building is there. How many meters? 20 meters building. On this, one transmitter they kept. Of height, don't know for us. But when a person sees from a certain distance, the angle of elevation to the top of the transmission is 45 degrees and to the top of the transmission is 60 degrees. He is asking us to find out the height of the tower. He is asking us to find out the top of the tower. Okay, na? Very, very simple. You see now? Yes. A person is seeing the bottom of the transmission at an angle of elevation 45 degrees and the top of the transmission pole at an angle of, what is angle of elevation is 60 degrees. The height of the building, because the transmission is fitted on the 20-meter building. On the 20-meter building. Very, very simple. First we will find out this. In triangle BCD. In triangle BCD. Okay, na? Tan 45 is equals to CD divided by BC. What is the tan 45 value? 1. 1 is equals to 20 divided by BC, which implies BC equal to 20 meters. Did you understand? This is 1. Next, we have to find out only height of this. We can't find only height this much only. Correct or not? Okay? We should find out everything only. Right now, see. Now, in triangle ABC, tan 60 is equals to AC divided by BC. Okay, na? But here you see AC is equals to AD plus DC. Let it be H plus this is 20 meters. Okay, na? Now tan 60 is nothing but root 3. Sorry. Tan 60 root 3 equal to AC. AC how much I told? H plus 20 divided by BC. Don't know. Therefore, BC is equals to H plus 20 divided by root 3. Okay, na? Yes. Like this. So this is BC. BC means what? From here to here. Sorry, it is not BC. Yes, already he has given. Sorry. He has given already BC equal to how much? We got 20. Correct? 20 already is there or not? Yes. Therefore, H plus 20 equal to 20 root 3 or H is equals to 20 root 3 minus 20. It is nothing but 20 if you take root 3 minus 1 meter. Therefore, what is the answer? H is equals to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meters. Okay na?